Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 8.5 question number 5. Naresh walked 2 km 35 meter in the morning and 1 km 7 meter in the evening. How much distance did he walk in all? Right? First of all, we'll solve this question in this way. Here see the question is Naresh walked 2 km 35 meter in the morning and 1 km 7 meter in the evening. How much distance did he walk in all? That means we have to add. Okay? This is the addition problem, right? That means Naresh walked Naresh that is Naresh walked 2 km 35 meter. Here you see there are two units, one is kilometer and one is meter, but you have to change it into kilometer, right? That means we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. We know this one, right? That means meter can be, that means we can say that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer and 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. 1 by 1000 kilometer. That means to convert meter into kilometer, you have to divide this number by 1000, right? That means if we write here as in kilometer, that means 2 kilometer. We are writing here 2 kilometer plus 35 meter plus 35 meter, right? Then it can be written as 2 kilometer and 35 meter can be converted into kilometer, that is 35 by 1000. 35 by 1000 by 1000 kilometer, right? That means it is 2 kilometer plus 0.035 kilometer, and if we add the numbers we are getting 2.035 kilometer, right? That means we can change it into kilometer and we are getting 2 point, we are getting 2.035 kilometer. You have to change it into the same unit. After that we will add or subtract or multiply, right? Kilometer. Now that is Naresh walked 2 kilometer 35 meter in the morning and Naresh walked 1 kilometer 7 meter 1 kilometer 7 meter in the evening, 7 meter 7 meter in the evening. This will change 1 kilometer 7 meter into kilometer, that is 1 kilometer 1 kilometer 1 kilometer 7 meter. Therefore, you can write 1 kilometer plus 7 meter. 7 meter. Meter. That is equal to 1 kilometer plus 7 by 1000. 7 by 1000 kilometer. Right? That is 1 kilometer plus 0 plus 0.007 kilometer. If we add the numbers, we are getting 1.007 kilometer. 7 kilometer, right? That means we are getting 1.1.001.00 1.007 kilometer. And if you add the numbers, you are getting, if you add the numbers, it is kilometer. If you add the numbers, what you are getting, you see, that is 5 plus 7 is 12. 5 plus 7 is 12. 5 plus 7 is 12. 2 carry 1. 3 plus 1 4. 0.2 plus 1 3. That is 3.042 kilometer. 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 This much kilometer, right? Therefore, it can be written as 3 kilometer 42 meter, right? It can be written as 3 kilometer, that is 3 kilometer 3 kilometer 42 that is 42 meter, right? Therefore, how much distance did he walk in all? In all, he walked he walked 3 kilometer 42 meter 42 meter. This is the solution of question number 5.